Hi, my name is Dr. Evan Chen, and today it is my pleasure to take some time to share with you about this product, the Supreme Synergizer. As we know, we are all living in a busy, fast-changing world, and thanks to the uprising of internet and advancements in the technology, we are constantly receiving new informations, which bring us convenience, but at the same time make our society and our life more complicated. The modernization of the world brings more competition between companies and businesses, while the industrialization brings more pollution to the environment. The stress and toxin that our body are encountering every day all contribute to many disorders, especially mental disorder such as depression and brain aging such as dementia. In order to stay competitive in this world we live in, we need to find a way to rejuvenate our brain. Gladly, Supreme Synergizer can meet our needs by restoring our brain power. Okay, before going further into the presentation, let's make a quick self-evaluation to see if we are at risk of having a rapid aging brain. Let's check if we have these symptoms. First, do you have lack of energy all day? Second, are you having forgetful and unable to think? Third, unable to concentrate? Fourth, susceptible to fatigue. 5. Headache, dizziness, and insomnia. 6. Emotions are easily agitated and angry. If you have some of these symptoms, which means it is very likely that your brain is aging quickly. Therefore, it is very important to take care of our brain early before it's too late. One good way to take care of your brain is to take Supreme Synergizer. What's wonderful about Supreme Synergizer is it has a protein nutrient extracted from the walnut. It is rich in small molecule peptides, which can provide protections to the brain nerve and at the same time increase learning and memory capabilities. In addition to the walnut peptide, we also added 6 additional antioxidants to help fighting free radicals, which can cause great damages to the brain. So we can, by taking this product, we can give more nutrients to the brain and making sure that the brain has enough nutrients to function. And it can also help us keep the mind focused and improve our memories and learning abilities. The principle for designing the formula for Supreme Synergizer is first to reconnect the brain nerves and thus to improve brain function. And second, to provide antioxidants to prevent oxidative injury to the brain. And third is to remove toxins, which can result in reduced brain inflammation. So this slide shows the important ingredients which are used in the Supreme Synergizer. The patent walnut peptide, it has a function of connecting nerves, improve memory, and to improve brain functions, we use patented fermented red ginseng, which can improve the memory decline. And we use green tea extract. It can improve brain's short-term memory and prevent Alzheimer's disease. Rhodiola is a herb. It has been widely used to relieve stress and restore brain function. For the ingredients which provide antioxidants to the brain to delay brain aging, we have turmeric extract. which can relieve brain inflammation and prevent degeneration. And we also have a patented red vine leaf, which is rich in polyphenol that can protect the brain's blood vessels and promote circulations. And to remove toxin, we have fibersol too. It can help toxin elimination. Let's talk about the key ingredients of the Supreme Synergizer, the walnut peptides. As we all know, the walnuts are a very healthy food. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acids, which can promote general health. This walnut peptides is a micromolecule peptide extracted by specialized technology. It is better than direct consumption of the walnuts. And this peptide is easily absorbed in the intestines and quickly can effectively produce effect in the body. Many studies have shown that walnut peptides can improve the performance of the brain-derived neurotrophic factors. It can provide a nutritious environment which promote growth of nerve fiber, bringing brain nerves closer to each other, speed up nerve conduction, and result in better learning and memory. The walnut peptide has a strong antioxidant property. It can be used to help reduce brain cell damage and the death caused by the toxic protein. Also, it can facilitate elimination of the brain toxin. These are the patent and experimental certification of the walnut peptide that we use in our formula. The walnut peptides are backed up with scientific evidence and research. Animal study confirms that walnut peptide can improve memory and promote learning functions in mice during the step-down test and Moore's water maze. Both cell experiment in vitro and zebrafish experiment in vivo all show that walnut peptide can increase the growth of the nerve cell axon, help brain development and message transmission. The next ingredient that we are going to talk about is the patented fermented red ginseng used in the Supreme Synergizer. As we know, long-term accumulation of the oxidants will increase oxidative stress in the body, which will then induce chronic fatigue. Red ginseng can neutralize free radical and relieve chronic fatigue of the brain. The fermented red ginseng is rich in high contents of small molecule ginseng saponin, which is highly active and easily to absorb, and it can be effectively used by the body. The rich saponin has the effect of improving memory ability, learning ability, and prevent memory decline. Studies have shown that red ginseng can be used to regulate the nerve, cardiovascular, and endocrine system. It can also be used to promote body synthesis of protein, RNA, and DNA. Research have shown that red ginseng can improve brain function, relieve fatigue, stabilize nerve and hormones. And it has important role in relieve senile diseases such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. The fermented red ginseng that we use in our Supreme Synergizer is derived from Korean ginseng, which has the highest content of ginsenoside. And this ingredient is well patented, and it is made in the Yakult factory. And multiple efficacy trials have shown that this product has much greater absorption rate than the red ginseng itself. And this figure shows that the patented fermented red ginseng we used has 115 times greater absorption rate than the red ginseng itself. Now let's briefly talk about the green tea extract. The catechin content of green tea is the highest among various tea that contain powerful antioxidants. In fact, green tea is greatly consumed in Japan, and these Japanese people are found to have the longest life expectancy among the world population. So green tea extract has many benefits to our human body. It can act as a super antioxidant to help eliminate unstable free radicals and prevent it from damaging and attacking our human body cells. The green tea extract can protect the brain, prevent brain oxidation, and maintain brain cell activity to delay aging and prevent dementia. Another great thing about the green tea extract is that it can help inhibit adipose tissue proliferation, and it can also promote cell metabolism to reduce body fat accumulation, result in reduced body fat and reduce inflammation in our body. Next, we're going to talk about Rhodiola rosea extract. Rhodiola is a flowering herb that grows in cold, high-altitude regions of Europe and Asia. Rhodiola has been used for centuries to help treating anxiety, fatigue, and depression. And rhodiola is well known for its adaptogenic properties. It can be used to help reduce fatigue and exhaustion in prolonged stressful situations. Rhodiola has the effect of regulating the stress hormone cortisol without providing any side effects. It can help relieve stress, reduce mental and physical fatigue, and restore our work efficiencies. By taking rhodiola can significantly improve our brain abilities, including short-term memory, thinking, concentration, calculation, hearing, and vision. It can also be used to increase our oxygen saturation, improve the oxygen carry capacity of the hemoglobin, increase oxygen supply, reduce body's overall oxygen consumption, and improve the hypoxia problem to protect the brain. The next ingredient is the patented red wine leaf extract. We all know that red wine made from the fermentation of the red grape confers great cardiovascular benefits, and it can protect blood vessels and promote brain circulations, all due to its rich polyphenol. So the red wine leaves does the same thing. It only contains 4% of total polyphenol, and the dry red wine leaf that we used in the formula contains higher percentage of the total polyphenols, and they have many benefits, including improving vascular patency, prevent microvascular dysfunction, and activate blood flow. The below figures are the patent certifications of the red wine leaf extract that we use in our formulation to ensure nutritional quality. The red wine leaf extract has many anti-aging benefits. The total polyphenol in the red wine leaf can reduce aging factor in the body. It can protect the brain from the aging factor and reduce oxidation metabolism of the organ. It can also be used to avoid skin aging and reduce body endotoxin. To help relieve brain inflammation, we use turmeric extract in the formulation of our Supreme Synergizer. The turmeric extract is rich in the active compound curcumin. It is a powerful antioxidant, and it can be used to reduce the production of inflammatory cytokines. Another great thing about curcumin is that this super antioxidant crosses the blood-brain barrier. It can be used to remove free radicals in the brain, to increase the secretion of the brain-derived neurotrophic factors, and result in promoting neural health, preventing brain degeneration and dementia. The last ingredient we use in the formula of the Supreme Synergizer is the fibersol 2. As we know, human immunity is closely connected with the intestine. So intestinal health is very important to our generalized health. Fibersol 2, it is a digestion-resistant maltodextrin. It is a soluble dietary fiber that confers many benefits. Fibersol 2 can be used to regulate microbiota and increase probiotic content in the intestinal gut. Fibersol 2 can also promote hormone production and regulate physiological functions. Fibersol 2 has the benefit of repairing intestinal cells and prevent toxin from invading our body. And last but not least, Fibersol 2 can absorb intestinal toxin and accelerate their excretion. The following are the multiple patent certification of the Fibersol 2. So, in summary, let's talk about why we must buy this Supreme Synergizer to improve our brain function. First is the principle. The principle of the Supreme Synergizer is to use walnut peptides and some antioxidants to help recover our brain. Walnut peptides are used to strengthen brain-nerve connection and improve memory. And the ginseng saponin is used to strengthen brain function. Rhodiola can be used to reduce stress and stabilize our mood and to improve concentration. The red vine leaf are used to promote blood circulation. And the curcumin, the green tea extract, are super antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substance that can be used to prevent brain damages. And lastly, the Fibersol 2 are used to remove toxin accumulation in the body and avoid brain inflammation. So, how about the efficacy of the Supreme Synergizer? In the previous slide, we showed that all the ingredients we use are patented formula backed up with scientific research. And so the Supreme Synergizers definitely has its place in making our brain more agile and improve our learning and memory capabilities. And the dosage form of the Supreme Synergizer is the brown bobbin bone capsule with pink Japanese seal and pearl white film coating. And it is HALA certified capsule. So, how should we take the Supreme Synergizer? For daily maintenance, we can take 2 capsules per day. For doubling the healthcare, we can take up to 4 capsules per day without causing any side effects. This concludes my brief introduction on the Supreme Synergizer. The Supreme Synergizer is truly a great product, not only on its comprehensive formulation of extracted protein nutrients and super antioxidants. The ingredients that we use are high quality and has a world patent certification. And also They are backed up by scientific research. So I hope all of you can try using Supreme Synergizer, and hope it can help making your brain more agile and help you succeed in whatever you do in this busy world. Thank you for your attention.